Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where we turn your tech into something truly personal. Today, we are diving into a fun project, customizing your Samsung phone in just 5 minutes. From custom icons to personalized widgets and wallpapers, we will make your phone stand out like never before. Let us get started. Here's an overview of what we will cover. 1. Download required apps. 2. Install and set up GoodLock and Theme Park. 3. Set up a custom wallpaper. 4. Create a custom widget with KWGT. 5. Adjust widget appearance. 6. Fine-tune and position everything. Let's begin. Step 1. Download required apps. Let's get all the tools we need for this customization. Open the Google Play Store and search for the following apps: KWGT Custom Widget Maker, Swart Custom Icon Pack, Wallpapers by Google. Now open the Galaxy Store and search for GoodLock. All set? Great! Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Install and set up GoodLock and Theme Park. GoodLock is your gateway to all kinds of customization features, so let's set it up. Open GoodLock and grant the necessary permissions. At the top of the app, tap Theme Park and download it. Open Theme Park, and at the bottom right, tap Icon. Tap Create New. Select Icon Pack and choose Swart or another icon pack you downloaded. Hit the download button, give it a name, and tap OK. Tap the theme you just created and hit Apply to set the custom icons on your home screen. Your icons are now looking sleek and customized. Let's move on to your wallpaper next. Step 3. Set up a custom wallpaper. Let's bring some personality to your screen with a custom wallpaper. Open the Wallpapers app. Browse through the options and pick one you like. Example, the leaves wallpaper. Tap Set Wallpaper to apply it to your home screen. Now your home screen has the perfect backdrop to match those custom icons. On to the next step, widgets. Step 4. Create a custom widget with KWGT. Widgets are the perfect way to add function and style. Open KWGT and go through the quick setup process by tapping Next until it is done. When asked to create a folder, name it something with custom, example, KUS_T. After setting the folder, return to your home screen. Long press on an empty space and tap Widgets. Scroll down and find KWGT. Choose a widget size, example 3x2. Hold it and drag it to your home screen. Once the placeholder is on your home screen, tap it to open KWGT. Choose a widget from the default options or install new ones from the app. Select a widget, example IKW3, and tap OK. Now you have a custom widget on your screen, but let's make it look even better. Step number 5. Adjust widget appearance. Time to make your widget look just the way you want it. Inside KWGT, you can adjust the size of the widget in the Layer tab. In the Items tab, tap Stack Group Position to adjust the widget's alignment. Customize the color options in the Globals tab. Example, change the first color to black. After you are happy with your changes, hit Save. The widget is now looking great. Let's fine-tune the placement. Step number 6. Fine-tune and position everything. We are almost there. Let's make sure everything is perfectly arranged. If needed, long press on the widget to adjust its sizes or reposition it. You can also move around your apps and customize the layout to your liking. Now your home screen is truly one of a kind, with a custom setup that is all your own. There you have it. You have just transformed your Samsung phone into a personalized masterpiece. From custom icons to widgets and wallpapers, these tips will help you make your phone as unique as you are. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more awesome tech tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you into the next one, where we will continue exploring more ways to upgrade your tech game. Until then, enjoy your custom home screen, my friend.